This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Tidal on a Mac. So I'm right here on this download page for Tidal. You can see the URL here for the download page for Mac. I will put that in the video description so you can check that out. Also in the video description, importantly, I do have an affiliate link for Tidal, so you can click that link. You'll find yourself on one of the main front pages of Tidal, and there's often some form of benefit there. They're often running a free trial. Depends on the time when you click that link and what kind of offer Tidal's running, but importantly, check out my link and you should be able to get some good benefits there. So downloading Tidal on a Mac, like I say, this is the URL, offer.tidal.com/download. So you can download with the Intel chip if you have a Mac with an Intel chip. If you've got Apple Silicon, one of the Apple chips, the newer Macs, you can click right here, like I have on mine. You can also download with iOS or Android if that's you. There's a web player, so you can instantly just play from there, and they do support other devices like TV, speakers, cars, and more. So in this case, you will go with whatever chip your Mac has, the Intel or the Apple chip. I'll go with the Apple chip. We'll hit download, and just like that, you see it flies up in the corner. That is the universal symbol on a Mac that something has been downloaded, that a file has been downloaded. Now I'm here on Google Chrome, and my downloads go instantly to my downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different, but you'll find that file there. It'll be a DMG file, and then you just install that very simply, and you can start to use Tidal. So check out my link, get that trial if it's on, get that any benefits from that link in signing up for your Tidal account. Check out the platform, see if it is for you. Maybe it is, maybe it isn't. You don't know until you try. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.